Dear students, the subject we are going to start is data structure. So first of all, we'll discuss about introduction to data structures. What is the definition of data structure, the classification and other things. As we know that data is a collection of raw facts, the data structure is the memory representation for the logical relationship existing between individual elements of data. For example, if we want to store some data, either it may be a single value or it may be multiple values. And for the multiple values, we have to decide what type of data structure, what type of memory structure should be there. So we can also define it as data structure as a specialized format for organizing and storing data in memory that considers not only the elements stored but also their relationship to each other. Introduction comprises the data structure that affects design of both structural and functional aspects of the program. If we want to create a program, then we have to decide first of all the algorithm, or we can say the criteria how the program should work, and as well as the data structure, that what type of memory we are going to use in the program. Now we are discussing about classification. So data structure is normally divided into two categories: primitive data structures and non-primitive. We can also see in structural form, a tree type के form में हम देख सकते हैं, that is the data structure is divided into primitive and non-primitive, in which the primitive data structure includes integer, character, float and pointer type. It means the primitive data structure is the memory structure that is capable to store a single value, whereas non-primitive data structures are divided into array and list. And in the previous semester we can revise it. We will revise it that array are single dimensional or it may be two or multiple dimension, whereas the list is further divided into two: linear and non-linear. Linear data structures comprises stack, queue and linked list, and non-linear includes tree and graphs. So these all the topics we'll discuss later. Now primitive data structures are the basic structures that are directly operated upon the machine instruction. They include, as we are showing, that they include integer, floating point numbers, character, constants, string constants and pointer. So we are seeing here that these data structures include the storing of data for a single value only. The commonly used operations that are handled by using the primitive data structures are creation, updation and deletion. It means we can create the data structure, we can create the memory for some value, update the value in the memory and delete that memory. Now we come towards non-primitive data structures. There are several types of data structures that are non-primitive, and these data structures are made to store multiple values. So we can see it, the non-primitive data structures emphasize on structuring for a group of homogeneous or heterogeneous data items. Here we already know that homogeneous data items, we have already discussed that they are the same type of data items, and different type of data items are known as heterogeneous. The non-primitive is also divided into two categories further, and they are linear and non-linear. So as the name says, that linear data structures are the kind of data structures in which the data elements are arranged in linear form. Their memory occupies linear memory blocks, whereas in non-linear data structures the memory is not in a line, linear form में नहीं होती है. The examples of linear data structures are array, stack, queue and linked list. So these topics we'll discuss later. Array we have discussed in second semester also, sorry, first semester. Now we will again discuss this topic with other operations on the array. And the stack, queue, and linked list are new topics for this semester. Whereas nonlinear data structures are not arranged in sequential structure, and the examples are tree and graphs. But in the syllabus of this data structure, we will have the focus on trees data structure only. Now, the most commonly used operations that can be performed on non-primitive data structures are creation, insertion, traversal, searching, merging, and sorting. Creation means the memory structure, creation of memory structure. Insertion means to add or to insert elements in the memory that has been allocated. Deletion means to remove the item from a data structure. Traversal means to read or to access the data items once in the whole data structure. Searching means to find out some element in the data structure. Merging means to add two data structures, but the data structure should be same. Sorting means to arrange the items of data structure in some manner, either it may be ascending order or descending order. So we'll discuss the data structures that are array and so on. So next topic we'll discuss in the next turn.